just rotating.
77 now, with artificial intelligence having developed a profound self-awareness. The world is on the verge of breaking up. We are going to secretly transport two AI decoding cores, replacing the AI source server in Mars, prevent the intrusion of human civilization sequence. This journey is full of unknowns. Time's running out. Let's go. Look out! The space station is responsible for transporting supplies between Earth and the Moon, serving as our refueling station for exploring the universe. Look! There's an astronaut waving at us! For us there. Let's get going! Wow! Look! That's the Saturn's ring! The ring of Saturn is the most poignant and distinct planetary ring among the rings of the planets in the solar system. The structure of Saturn's ring is intricate and displays a wide variety of shapes and forms. Once we pass through the asteroid belt, we'll be able to rendezvous with our partners. Woo! So thrilling! Have you seen the cargo spacecraft ahead? They're carrying the second AI decoding core. Let's catch up with them and launch out to the Mars base. Safely! Solar storm approaching! We need to get out of here now! Magnetic field interference is getting stronger. Our spacecraft is experiencing server disruptions. I should teleport to Mars surface now. AI?
The fuel has ended. The platform is about to turn back. Please wait a moment.